Hello viewers and welcome to my channel once again. So today we want to resolve this problem. We have 2 to the power of n plus 4 to the power of n plus 8 to the power of n to be equal to 39. So from here, this is 2 to the power of n plus 4 is the same as 2 to the power of 2 further raised to the power of n plus our 8 is 2 to the power of 3 further raised to the power of n, which is equal to 39. Or we have a to the power of m further raised to the power of n. This is the same as a to the power of n further raised to the power of m, which is also equal to a to the power of m times n. So we'll be swapping these powers to have 2 to the power of n plus 2 to the power of n further raised to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of n further raised to the power of 3, which is equal to 39. So we can name our 2 to the power of n to be equal to x. So wherever we see this, we'll impute our x. So we have x plus x squared plus x cubed to be equal to 39. So this is the same as x plus x squared plus x cubed minus 39 equal to 0. So we can split this into different numbers to have x plus x squared plus x cubed minus, we can have 27 plus 9 plus 3, which is equal to 0. So this will give us x plus x squared plus x cubed minus 27 is the same as 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 squared plus 3, all equal to 0. We can merge the values with unique powers together to have x minus 3 plus x squared minus 3 to the power of 2 plus x cubed minus 3 to the power of 3, which is equal to 0. Now let's recall that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b, and a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So this equation, we have x minus 3 plus we have x squared minus 3 to the power of 2. So we'll be applying this here to have x plus 3 times x minus 3 plus we have x cubed minus 3 to the power of 3. So we'll be having a minus b, we'll be having x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. So from here we can factor out x minus 3 to have x minus 3 times 1 plus x plus 3 plus x squared plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. So we have x minus 3, we have x squared, we have x plus 3, which is 4x, and we have 1 plus 3 plus 9, which is 13, and this is equal to 0. So from here, it simply means that x minus 3 is equal to 0, and x squared plus 4x plus 13 is equal to 0. So we'll be resolving this linear and quadratic equation. So for this, we'll have that x is equal to 3. So we've gotten the first value for x as 3. So let's resolve this quadratic equation. So for us to resolve this, let's check for our discriminant. We have the square root of b squared minus 4ac. So our b is 4 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 13. So 4 to the power of 2, we have 16. We have 4 times 13, which is 52. So this will give us minus 36. So since our discriminant is a negative number, it simply means that we'll have a complex solution. So we'll reject this. So let's recall that our x is equal to 3. But 2 to the power of n is equal to x. So what we are really looking for is n. So we have 2 to the power of n to be equal to 3. So let's take the log of both sides to have log 2 to the power of n equal to log 3. So this is the same as n times log of 2, which is equal to log 3. We divide both sides by log of 2. We have n times log 2 all over log 2, which is equal to log 3 over log 3. So this will cancel this. We have n to be equal to log 3 over log 2. So our n is equal to log 2 base 2 of 3. So we've gotten the value of n as log 2 base 2 of 3. So let's verify. Our n is equal to log 2 base 2 of 3. So we have 2 to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3 plus 4 to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3 plus 8 to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3 to be equal to 39. So we have 2 to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3 plus 2 to the power of 2 further raised to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 further raised to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3 to be equal to 39. So from here we have 2 to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3 plus 2 to the power of 2 times log 2 base 2 of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 times log 2 base 2 of 3, which is equal to 39. So this will give us 2 to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3 plus 2 to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3 squared plus 2 to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3 cubed, which is equal to 39. So we have 2 to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3 plus 2 to the power of log 2 base 2. We have 3 to the power of 2, which is 9, plus 2 to the power of log 2 base 2 of 27, which is equal to 39. But from law of indices, when we have a times log 2 base a of b, this is equal to b. We have 2 to the power of log 2 base 2 of 3, which is equal to 3 plus 9 plus 27 equal to 39. So when we add up all this, we have 39 is equal to 39. So the left hand side equals the right hand side. So this verifies that our n is equal to this. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.